Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Are you spending your entire Sunday in your kitchen doing meal prep for the week? Are you cooking up chicken, broccoli, sweet potatoes, and then putting everything in its own reusable container? If meal prepping all weekend makes you happy, that's awesome. Go for it. But suppose you might want to reclaim your Sunday or Saturday afternoon. And I have a feeling that you might. I have a simple tip for you today to help you with your meal planning and preparation. But first, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button and then tap the bell icon right next to it. And if you're not new here, but you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and get that out of the way. Okay, so back to the tip. This is so easy that I almost feel bad calling it a tip, but I don't know what else to call it. Maybe a hack? Anyway, I have to share it with you because some of my clients have told me they've been having trouble with their meal prep. So if you're frustrated too, this one slight change that I'm about to share may really help you out. What if instead of doing meal prep, next time you made something, you just doubled or even tripled the recipe? Then you can put the extra in the fridge or the freezer to eat later. Even if it's something simple like a soup. It won't take you much extra time to do this either. Depending on the recipe, it often just means chopping some additional vegetables. And you can do this with almost everything you cook. Turkey burgers, stir fry, chili, you name it. For things like chili, soup, or pasta sauce, you can always pack it up and freeze it for later. I literally do this all the time. Right now, I have onion soup, chicken soup, and pasta sauce in my freezer. It's also a great way to leverage sales. If there's a particular cut of meat or one of your favorite veggies is in season, you can buy it at a lower price, prepare something, and store it for later. This can save you tons of time and money. It just takes a little planning. Another bonus is that if you have meals prepped and ready, you will be less likely to stop for fast food or a convenience meal because you'll always have a healthy and nutritious meal ready to go in your fridge or freezer. Sticking with a nutrition plan can sometimes be challenging, but it makes a huge difference when you just plan ahead. To help you out, I have a great free resource for you. It's my easy one-dish meal recipe guide. It's free for a limited time, so get it now. There's a link in the description down below. And leave me a comment down below if you already do this, what your style of meal prep is. And if you haven't done it yet, let me know what recipes you plan on using this for. And if you think this simple tip will go a long way to help you meet your goals and could help others, like the video. That really helps other people find it. And feel free to share it with your friends and on social media too. Also remember to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon right next to it. This is Amy. I'll see you real soon. Bye.